Okay guys, let me start our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use Autodesk Revit 2019. Before we start our video tutorial, let me check the address of templates and library that we are going to use. So you go to the this button and a menu bar will appear on your screen. Select File and then go to Option. Select file location, and then this list of templates will appear where you can see numbers of listed template already here. Then if you want to add another template other than this one, so you can add by press the green plus icon here, add value. Then the file of templates is located at C, Program Data, Autodesk, RVT 2019, and Templates. So I have this folder, then I select UK. Then you can see here we have different templates. Okay, then you can select and open. Then the library of family or component is located. I press the places button and library name here. We have here several numbers of library name and folder. So ensure you have this one located at C, Program Data, Autodesk, RVT 2019, Libraries, and Malaysia. So listed here I have Malaysia for the metric detail library, building book. I also have here. Okay. This file location is to ensure the library can be uploaded and the correct design template will be chosen or used. Let me start new project, and then a window of new project will appear on your screen, and then you can select the template file. So we select construction default GBR, Great Britain, ENU, and then OK. So this is the user interface of Autodesk Revit. On the top you can find all the icons related to the specific command. Architecture, you have wall, door, windows, column, all those components are non-structural component. This is structure. You have beam, wall, column, floor, truss, braces, and so on and so forth. And steel, system, and then you have another menu. And on your left side, on the top, we have properties window. And you can any active or selected component, the properties will be listed here. And then down here we have project browser. So currently we have floor plans, level 1, and side, and then we have another elevation, east elevation, north elevation. Then if you want to return back to the floor plans, you just double click the level 0. Okay, that's all for the introduction of the user interface of the Revit 2019. Thank you.